We are often asked how we start our day, and so we will reveal our early morning routine that unlocks the way to a productive and enjoyable day.
Hi, friends. It's Bob and Fran, healthy aging authors and coaches. The feedback, by the way, on our Zoom coaching sessions have been really fantastic. So check us out in the description box below if you want some one-on-one mentoring.
We're often asked where we live. We're in Western North Carolina, and we are surrounded by natural beauty.
You know, that enables us to get outdoors most any time. And this is how we normally start our day.
We're lucky to be able to connect with nature with our early morning hike, which usually starts about 7 a.m.
Yeah, we get up early and we get out, and it really energizes us, I think. You know, on these hikes, we're not as fast as we used to be. We just go slow and steady, and we're careful with every single step we take.
Moderate upward climbing gets the heart pumping.
Yes, it does.
During our climb, we are immersed in the surroundings, aware of the forest, of trees, plants, flowers, birds, mysterious sounds, and animals, too.
Yeah.
Once in a while, we get a warning that there's a bear in the area.
Some days our hike seems more challenging than others.
It feels like they made the mountain steeper overnight.
You just don't have the legs every morning. But we get out there and we try. And during the walk, sometimes we talk a lot to each other, and sometimes we get in more of a meditative mode where we are silent and totally in the moment. That's really nice.
Unfortunately, we do pass people from time to time who are listening to their phone or talking on their phone or listening to a podcast, and they're really missing the beautiful sounds around them.
Yeah, fortunately,
we don't do that.
And they're in the minority. There aren't many that do. You know, there are many advantages of connecting with nature.
It's energizing and peaceful at the same time.
Also, we get to work the bones and joints. We strengthen our heart and lungs, and it's very good for balance. I especially like it for that. And it keeps us very focused. It's sort of like a walking, moving meditation, I think.
It's truly the best exercise ever. There are also science-based health benefits. The Mental Health Foundation indicates that nature can generate a multitude of positive emotions, such as calmness, joy, creativity, and it can even facilitate concentration.
You know, we're both in our 80s. So for us, hiking most mornings for an hour to an hour and a half works very well for us. We really enjoy it, and we try never to miss, and we always hope the weather is conducive.
And afterwards, when we're done, we get this wonderful feeling of accomplishment. Perfect way to begin our day.
It's like it says on our license plate on our car, mountain high. We get this mountain high.
Right.
And it is a great start. Of course, we know that you may not have mountains near you to climb, but we encourage you to get outdoors anywhere. Maybe find a park or an area with trees and plants in which you can walk. You will still benefit from this connection with the natural surroundings.
Now, if you happen to be homebound and cannot easily get outdoors, you can enjoy the beauty of indoor plants and flowers. You can do some bird watching from a window.
That's a good idea.
You can try some nature-inspired arts and crafts like painting, drawing, or just buying some art that depicts nature. Mm-hmm. Friends could help you by collecting dried flowers, leaves, seed pods to help make an attractive arrangement. And also, you can experience nature through the comfort of having a pet. Mm-hmm. This is something to consider. Even owning a peaceful fish tank, including some aquatic plants, can be a relaxing and fun hobby.
It's a great idea. So there you have it. Now get outdoors and enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer. A walk a day will help keep the doctor away. So let us know your thoughts about this in the comments section. And you can help us by subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell to be alerted to our next latest and greatest video. And also, please consider clicking the super thanks button to the right of the like button to make a small appreciation donation. And all of that money, if we get any of it, would go directly to fight child trafficking. You all know we're interested in that topic.
And if you are one of the few people in the world that has not read our book on how to be young at any age, you can use the link below as well.
And all proceeds that we get from book sales go to fight child trafficking as well. And we look forward to seeing you on the trail or on our next video, which you can see in just a few seconds. So hang in there just a little while longer. Thanks for coming by.